Hi, I'm Amy Traverso, Senior Food Editor of Yankee Magazine and co-host of Weekends with Yankee.
And I'm David Leet. I am the publisher and founder of the website Leet's Culinaria.
And we are co-hosts of the podcast Talking with My Mouth Full. Talking with My Mouth Full is about cooking.
The fun you can have with food.
Kind of conversations that can happen over food.
It's about Amy messing up a lot. It's about me messing up a lot.
It's conversations with leading cooks and cookbook authors and other people who are influencing the food world.
Why do kiddies love to be on television so much?
It's coming to you soon with weekly downloads every Saturday. Something with eggs, scrambled eggs, frittata, something like that.
Spaghetti carbonara.
Start the water boiling as soon as you start cooking.
Sauteing onions in garlic and olive oil until they're meltingly tender and sweet. Putting them in a jar in the refrigerator, so when you get home, just plop a bunch in the pan. You save yourself 20-25 minutes.
Big night.
Julia from HBO. Can I see mine?
Probably Julia's first volume.
What about your cookbook?
And my cookbook, the Apple Lovers Cookbook. Crab fried rice at Nautilus in Boston.
Grilled skirt steak with chimichurri sauce.
Kind of getting too many things going at once and then getting overwhelmed and overcooking some of it and undercooking others.
I almost burned down the house on Thanksgiving. Skirt steak